So today I'm going to change the camera. So first of all, I change the position of camera y-axis to the 10 and rotate its rotation x to 45. So in the camera view we can see the rolling board just in the middle of the background. If we just stretch camera to the as child to the player, we can see what we got. Yeah, it will follow the rolling ball. If we test it, oh, the camera will just follow the one side of the board, so it will look like this. So we just move out the camera and use the code to control it. So let's add some code at the camera. So we choose the new script called camera controller. Yeah, and we got this, and we drag the script to the scripts folder and open it. And delete those codes that we don't need to use. So the code is like this showing. We just public the game object player and bullet start. So the camera will move, follow the player, and it won't like just follow one side. When player move, the direction of the camera will not change anymore, so it will become what we thought. Let's save it and back to our game. We now go to the camera. The script has a problem. Let me change a little bit. No, it's okay. Just now I did the wrong name of this script, so it won't work just now. But now it's work again, I think. So I just drag the player to the game object and let's test it. Yeah, it will move like what we want. Now it's going to create some words to avoid the board drop down to the center. So first we just create empty and name it wars. And we can just go to the game object, create a cube. For the cube, we need to make sure its position are reset every time, and do some changes on its position. Scales, I guess the x will be the 0.5 and 1.5. The scale will be 50.5, and its position will be negative 6. No, negative 7.5, which is good. Yeah, it's good. And we rename it West War. So we just drag it into the war, and we can do. Now we can duplicate it. Just go to editor, duplicate, or just Control plus D, and we got the West Store again. Just changing its name to the East Store. Changing negative 7.5 to the 7.5, and we got the East Store. And duplicate it again. We got another door. We change name North War. For now, we can just reset the X position and go to the rotation 90%, or we just change the scale of the scheme object to the 5.5 and the 0.5, and it become like when we change its rotation. So let's change its y-axis to the 7.5. Yeah, which is good. And duplicate it again and rename it South War, and change the axis to the 7.5. And we got the 4 words. So let's test what will happen. Support in this area, so you won't will drop down anymore. Yeah, so it's like this. This is what we have today. So next lesson will be the pick up the object. Thank you.